technical update on the equity markets. The markets have witnessed a volatile trading session today. It opened with a gap down. However, it recovered during the first half of the trading session. It was trading in a sideways manner. Then suddenly some selling pressure came in, which took the Nifty down to 78.41 on the downside. From there, the Nifty took support, and intraday it did a sharp pullback, and it traded in a volatile manner thereafter on the upside, and the Nifty was up by almost 80 points in today's trading session. So intraday we saw a huge 150 point kind of movement in today's trading session. The Nifty ultimately ended the day on a positive note with 57 point gain in today's trading session. The market breadth was positive with 889 advances to 663 declines. All the indices that mid-cap, like mid-cap, small-cap, the bank index, all closed with gains today. From the Nifty 50 pack, ITC, HDFC, Dr. Reddy, HUL, TCS were some of the losers in trade today, while HDFC Bank, ONGC, State Bank, ICICI Bank, L&T, M&M, Hindalco, Tisco, all Tata Steel, all closed with gains today. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that this intraday volatility has created a huge candle. Now today's trading session we have closed in the positive. So in the coming trading sessions, the today's low will be a crucial level to watch out for. That is 78.41. A breach below 78.41 can intensify the selling pressure even more. On the upside, the Nifty has closed above the crucial support of the 40-day exponential moving average. So that becomes also a crucial level to watch out for. On the upside, 8038 and 8062 are crucial resistances. On the downside, 7931, which is the 40-day exponential moving average, and below that 7841, which is today's swing low, become crucial supports. Our trend or our bias for the Nifty remains negative. We feel that this is just a bounce back, and it could just terminate around the crucial resistances on the upside. 8038 is the 61.8% retracement of this fall, which we have been seeing from the highs of 8160 till the low of 7841. So that 61.8 retracement comes to around 8038. So that becomes a crucial resistance, and if we see selling pressure emerging at that point of time or at that level, then traders can initiate, look for signs of weakness around that level and initiate short positions. Now moving on to the hourly charts, we can observe that the Nifty has been quite volatile during the day. It has bounced back sharply from the lows of 78.40. However, on the hourly charts, we can observe that it has faced resistance at the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages. So that indicates that the averages are holding as resistances, and a move beyond crucial resistances is required for the Nifty to gain positive momentum. However, these bands have been, the Bollinger bands have been sloping downwards and have been contracting. This indicates that this might just be a pullback, and this pullback might be sold into in the coming trading sessions. So we don't advise to initiate short positions. However, our strategy to play Nifty should be to sell on rise near resistances. Near resistances should be at 8038, 8062. These are crucial resistances. So traders should look for signs of weakness around these levels and go short. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has also pulled back sharply. However, in the case of Bank Nifty, it did not break the low it made yesterday. So we feel that it is also trading around the 40-day exponential moving average. So once this bounce gets over, or we get a daily negative close, then traders should initiate short positions or create short positions on Bank Nifty as well. It is trading below the 20. It is trading below the 20 and 40 daily moving averages. So that indicates weakness. The Bollinger Bands are also now expanding, and prices are trading near the lower Bollinger Band. So that also indicates weakness. A trend for Nifty, so the Bank Nifty also remains negative, and the strategy to play Bank Nifty as well is to short on rises near resistances. Crucial supports for Bank Nifty are placed at 15,358 and 15,168. On the upside, 15,734 and 16,008 are crucial resistances. So overall friends, to sum it up, today we have closed for the week, and on the weekly charts of Nifty we have got a negative weekly close, which indicates some selling pressure, and indicates that a wave has completed over here. So we expect the rise in Nifty to be sold into in the coming trading sessions. Strategy to play Nifty should be to sell on rise near resistances. 8038 and 8062 are crucial resistances. On the downside, 7931, which is the 40-day exponential moving average, and 7841, which is today's swing low, are crucial supports. Below 7841, our target for Nifty will be 7620 on the downside. That's all for the day. Thank you.